Yes, next class is about business card design. Business card or visiting card, right? Both are same. So how to do in Illustrator? So business cards, logos, letterheads, envelopes. These are all stationary designs, stationary items, right? So these designs must have to do in Illustrator only, right? So how to do in Illustrator? First take file, new file. Okay. So here settings are must be in inches, width 3.5 inches and height 2 inches, right? So name it here business card design. Business card design. Okay. Artboard, one artboard I'm taking right now. If I want, I'll extend later inside also. And here, if you observe here, the bleed area in Photoshop, there is no bleed area separately, right? So in Illustrator, they're giving the column, because in Illustrator only all the print related designs can be possible, because it is a raster based program, right? So must have to do in Illustrator. So that is the reason they are giving bleed area, bleed options, right? So here I am giving some number, I'm typing here 0. Something like 3, okay, 0.3, okay, and color mode must be in CMYK color, and resolution 300 resolution, right? Okay, create. Yes, this is the one. Okay, so actually if you observe here in actual size, you will understand this is the actual size, right? Okay, let us zoom. And for the business card design, we have to place your logos, whatever the logo, company related logo, right? In previous classes already explained. So must have logo, company logo, business logo, and some contact details and address details, any related design on card, right? So these are the things. Okay, so bleed area fixed, this is the red line it is showing. Okay, so bleed area is nothing but the cutting marks, right? And there inside one more guides I'm placing. Those are suppose let us click here, the right side must show your rollers, reset essential classic, okay, reset. And here the bottom the rollers and grids are showing, right? So click here, roller, the four side some gap horizontally, vertically, you have to leave some gap. Why? Because within that gap only we have to do the design, the main design, the guidelines, okay? So beyond the guidelines, your design must not be there, right, outside the rollers. So red line is showing your cutting marks, and the blue line rollers are showing your safe guides, okay? The safe guides don't cross the main design, like your logo items, logos, your contact details, or the main address details should not cross this guide rollers. If you cross, it is very close to your cutting marks. Okay, maybe your main design maybe cut in the trimming process, right? So this is that. And then so take your logo here. Suppose this is my logo I'm planning to place. Okay, yeah, these are the things. Okay, unlock these. They are related portions only and unlocking. Okay, this is select everything, Control C, that means copy, and come here and Control V, right? So this is very big, so you can make it smaller. So Alt Shift I'm using to make exact center inside of the card. Okay, yeah, this is so yeah, I'll keep the design here. Okay, and suppose select everything, you can make it group, so everything group, so then it is very easy to move, right? Okay, now I have to place some text. And before that I'm planning to give some design, the back side of the design, right? So instead of the plain, I want to do some design here. Yeah, from there to here. Pixel strokes. There are colors are there, RGB colors are there. So I want to use those colors. Okay, yeah. Yeah, let us say click on a box here. Yeah, this is my box. Okay, some outline I am giving. Later notes I will remove that. Okay, then I am using here direct selection tool and click this point, anchor point. So yeah, I'll take this. Okay, in this I'll try to fill some color. So I'm giving this black color. So over on that, this logo I want to paste, right? Control X, because it is in the same layer. Cut that one, and over on that, create layer and Control Shift V, it is pasted it. Okay. Yeah, log the logo, and suppose here this one I'm trying to add, because on the black one the visibility is looking good, so better you should check within the actual size. Okay, okay, but here some text we are missing. Anyway, so what I'll do, I'll click this anchor point, I'll make the design here up to here. Yeah. So this logo, move down here. Yeah, here. Okay. Okay. Lock this logo, and over on the black text, create one more layer and type some text. It should be in some light color. For timing, I'm using some grays, light gray. Okay, let us type this one. Okay. Yeah. Later I will change actual font. So first I'll type the text. So Narayana. The bottom, the designation, create to head. This must be in some small point. Let us say 6 or 7 I am taking, right? Okay, and I am giving the right alignment. Yeah, this is the text, right alignment. Okay, then bring one more layer here. See, observe here in Illustrator, layers. Within the layers again, sublayers are there, right? So Illustrator, not like your Photoshop. Within the layer again, sublayers can form automatically. When you type or when you text or draw something, any dot, even you can place, automatically it takes as a sublayer. All sublayers can be in a layer. Okay. Yes, this is. I'll lock this one and come here and type some address. Randomly some address I'm giving. Later I'll change these colors. For time being I'm using. Yeah. (189) by B. Methodist colony. Kundan Bhag. Kundan Bhag. Behind lifestyle. Lifestyle. Hyderabad. $5 lakhs 16. Telangana. Telangana. Okay, so this is the text. Okay, change the font size. Okay, later I'll change all the fonts and all. Then here I'm giving email. Pixel. gmail.com. Okay, web address. Okay, these are enough. Okay, so here I want to make some design, and I'll change the fonts. So first change this font. Make this down. Here one more layer creating a phone number. Phone number. Nine 121850425. Okay, right. Okay, then fill colors, different colors, and change the fonts also. First I'll change this font for the name. Something it is interesting. Okay, so I'll take this one. So any design you must see in actual size, the readability and color, sharpness, the overall the layout within the actual size only it is understandable. So not in a the big size. You must have to see every time in actual size. Okay. Okay, then come to phone number. But it is not preferable to give many different fonts within a small design. Okay. So minimum fonts you have to maintain. It's very important. Yeah, can be 8 font size. Okay. Okay, then this running text. This text I'm using serif fonts. What is serif fonts? Serif fonts has some endings like curves, just like the curvable shapes. I'll explain what is serif and sans serif fonts in the coming classes. It is all about a typography. Okay, so place any font, suitable font. Here I am choosing not finding actually the right font. Style, no, it is not looking good. So let us say something like, yeah. So because Combina math, something like this, right? Okay, the sharpness, because what we are understanding with this, the sharpness of the font, right? The pixel stroke, the same font, the my read flow, maintaining the same, right? Okay. And by seeing this font readability is something it has some problem, right? It is good, but I think it should not be a bold. Yeah, readability, and let us check in actual size. When you print your card, this is the actual size of the card. Within the size, your text and all the design should be readable, right? So readability is very important. Yeah. Okay. Then make the font size more bigger. Right. Then furthermore change the colors. Okay. My name isn't the same, and the phone number, suppose it should be like eyedropper. I'll take this one, but it is changing the character also, because the settings, it is there in the same category. So you can change this into regular and change this font to actual something like 9, right? Yeah, 9, make it 9. Keep this here. Okay, alignment, finally we'll check the alignments. And this is, yeah, it is a blue one. Yeah, this is okay, right? And select all these by dragging all these, and in control panel, if you observe here, the alignments are there, panels are, right? So make it right. It is properly aligned in right side. That's good. So then what I'll do, here I want to do something here. Yeah. Pixel Stocks logo. Can be a bit bigger. Not looking good. So it can be here only. Yeah. What I'll do here. With pen tool, we create a line from here to here. Okay. your size is line size is, suppose it is in 2, and check the line not in straight, width profile, something this is, okay, this is, and it should be thin, means suppose a 1, and it can be in a light gray color. It should not be dominated your main logo. Yeah, this is okay. Okay, this is nice. Okay, let us check in actual size. This is actual size. Okay, then what else? Name already placed, phone number, text, and other things are placed. Okay, this is the side, one side of the design. If you want the other side also, you can prepare. So mostly, generally, most of the cards are in one side only. Some people they want to design their cards in the both sides. That's dependent their interest, personal interest. So it depends on your text and matter information. You have to decide the both side card or a one side card. Right? For this, I am keeping this as it is. Okay, let us save this. Suppose Control S, asking for save to create to cloud or save on your computer. Right? Suppose create to cloud. If you have a subscription plan, then Adobe is providing some space, okay, in the Creative Cloud. So there you can save your files, or otherwise save on your computer. Right? So I'm saving in computer only. Yeah, let us save desktop. So business card design, Adobe Illustrator file, okay, and yeah, save this one. Yeah. So version, to understand this is the version. Suppose even we are using the bigger version 2024 or 2023, okay, then better to save in a lower version, because sometimes what will happen, your printers maybe they are not maintaining the latest versions of the software. Okay, so there in that case, your upgraded version of files that ever open at a printer's computer, because they are using the lower versions. So don't forget, always keep this in mind. So here I am using Illustrator 2020, right? So okay, then how to give for the print? Suppose that is Illustrator file, okay, with layers. With the layers it is saving. Then the next one is export. Export as, suppose you are planning your design to give your customer. So before giving it to print, the final design you are showing to your client. So for that purpose, use JPEG, and here don't forget to use these artboards. So artboard means what? Export CMYK 300 ppa. So say okay. So this is the artboard. Artboard is your actual work area, 3.5 by 2 inches given, right? So within that artboard area only it takes any saving time, right? Even if you draw something here outside the artboard, it won't take, because you are giving the option artboard, right? Then, and suppose if your design is any transparency required, your design has any transparency, then go with the PNG, right? Otherwise not required PNGs for the printing, right? Even JPEGs also we are not giving JPEGs for the printing, for the client corrections, for client viewing purpose only we are giving, right? So for the print, what kind of format you have to give? It's very, very important, right? So see here, save as again, save in your computer, and here of course Adobe Illustrator file is there. There is one more file, format is PDF and EPS. Okay, so these PDFs and EPS, they are more preferable formats for the printing, right? Yeah, suppose EPS encapsulated PostScript file and portable document of format. So these are, so first I'll save this in Adobe PDF and use artboard again, okay, but place this on desktop, okay. Yeah, it is not showing the PDF because it is disabled. Okay, let us save this one. Yeah, give all marks and bleeds. What is this? So when you print, so bleed area, this bleed area and the save margins can be applied here. So all printer marks, trim marks and registration marks, color bars, page information, and what date your file is created, okay, and print mark type. So that text Roman or Japanese, right? The trim mark weight 0.25 byte, so leave it as it is in the default settings, and save PDF. It is saved. Then again go with save as. Now what is this? EPS file format, right? Encapsulated PostScript of file. So use artboard. This EPS PostScript language, the Adobe PostScript language is applying here. So it is very, very printable, means highly most preferable of file format for the printing, right? So don't forget EPS encapsulated PostScript file. This file can be opened in CorelDRAW and Photoshop also. Most of the softwares can be read. Okay, this EPS. For the printing purpose, it is more preferable file format. Right? Use artboards. Don't forget this one, and save. And here it is the setting version again, the EPS 2020 Illustrator, and preview format, a TIFF format. You can save this as it is and transparent, and all can save this as it is. Save OK. Yeah, include CMYK, PostScript and RGB files. Say OK. Yes. Okay, let us see all these things. Suppose these are the things. I'll keep this in a folder. Business card. Business card. Yeah, a business card. I'll drop all these items, files in business card. These are the files. Open now. You understand? Yeah, this is what JPEG file. The outside white area is not coming into print, so this is one. Okay, and this is the business card, PDF, right? So these are the information, file information. So here the cut marks are showing. Your business card and cut here. So these are the lines. Okay, and designed on this today and the date, and every information is given. Okay, for the printing purpose this is very useful. And one more, this is EPS. So what is EPS? Suppose serial, I'll close this one, already saved, so I'll close, no, and here I'll open this one. Suppose double click and open, directly it is opening in Illustrator. Illustrator can read this, and surprisingly with all the layers it is showing, right? So that is EPS. So it's very important. Okay, EPS file format preferable for the printing. Okay, so this is the class for today, the business card, and everyone should have to prepare your own business cards, the two for ready to print designs. Okay, thank you.